Alright, today we've got a slightly different video for you. This video is going to be about my switch to Bobuntu and what I've done with the system, any potential problems I've had, and so on and so forth. To start off with, the most obvious change I've made to the system is this large custom wallpaper. Well, the background bit's not custom, obviously, it's Photoshop skills, as you can see. Not really done anything to the dock except for moving it to the bottom, because when it was on the side it would kind of slightly overlap this button, which was, or rather this menu would overlap it, which was a bit annoying visually. Anyway, from a practical standpoint it worked just fine. In terms of applications I've installed, not really a lot. I've installed a wine player on Linux, haven't really tested anything on there yet. I imagine it would work just fine. Gotta say, the icon theme and all that lot is an absolute, well, one of the better icon themes I've seen, let's put it that way. Installed Hex Chat, obviously one of the best IRC clients on Linux. WPS Office, because I find AbiWord and GNumeric to be too lightweight for my usage. Obviously you can see my wine junk here, don't know why it's under other instead of wine, but fair enough. Idle, obviously for Python. Installed OpenShot, which obviously works a treat here. Going to install Audacity at some point. And nothing particularly in the system tools. As you can see up here, I've changed the Ubuntu icon to this, which it actually came with. I've set Google Chrome to use the GTK theme. It looks absolutely gorgeous, gotta say. My only complaint visually about this distro would be I'm not too fond of the whole window thing, like the window theme. The window theme is fine, but with a few small annoyances. For example, when it's deselected, it turns white for some reason. Also, I'm not so sure about this font here. Just seems a bit visually unappealing to me, but to each their own. Speed-wise, this distro's been pretty damn good. Very lightweight, of course. But again, it's a LXDE desktop. In terms of the Ubuntu base, I find it to be not as cutting. The software in it's not as cutting edge as I would like. But then again, coming from a Arch distro, it's to be expected. All the software, of course, works fine for most things. Been listening to my Spotify, so that's pretty good. Haven't tested boxes yet and how that stacks up to VirtualBox. I imagine it's probably okay. This file manager here, not sure if it actually is called PC Man File Manager or if that's sort of a nickname type thing, but works absolutely fine for managing all your files and that. The other thing I'm not too sure about visually is that the Barry thing seems not to be themed for some reason. Seems like a simple enough thing to theme, but no, it's not a deal breaker, it's just slightly annoying. In terms of things this distro does well, like I say, it's fast, it's lightweight. Also, I think it's perfectly set up and has all the programs that I would have installed anyway, like OBS and that sort of thing. Yeah, don't really have much else to say at the moment. We'll probably be making a follow-up video to this. Thanks for watching. Once again, this Bobuntu is well worth checking out. Link to the source forge down in the description. 1.2 was just released, and that's what I'm running here. Well, thanks for watching.